Guys, it's Lindsay from the blog Repurpose and Upcycle, and I'm here today. I'm going to show you a quick little hack on putting two different curtains together without sewing. So let me show you this window first. So I bought two different panels, one for this window and one for this window. And unfortunately, I didn't measure. So when I got them home and I hung them up, they don't cover the windows. And the bad thing is we close these at night, so we really depend on these being actually larger than the full width of the window. So I thought about taking them back, and then I thought, you know what? I'm going to pull in a little bit of a different pattern. I'm going to leave these here, and I'm going to buy another curtain panel just like this one, and I'm going to attach them together to create more color and something a little different than just a regular plain solid colored panel. And I'm going to show you how to do this without sewing. All right, y'all, I'm going to show you. This is the other curtain that I bought. I think it blends really well with the current curtain. I love the little bit of modern texture that it adds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use, this is double-sided fabric tape. I'm going to use this and I'm going to attach this to this so it looks like one seamless curtain. Okay, I'm going to show you how easy it is to add no-sew fabric tape. The first thing you're going to want to do is decide if this seam is going to be on the top or this seam is going to be on the top. I'm going to put this seam on the top. So that means I'm just going to unroll the fabric tape. You're going to lay it at the top as close to the edge as I can get it. And I'm going to roll it down just like this. And when you lay it on the fabric, go ahead and apply some pressure just to make sure it's getting a really secure, to make sure it's really attaching really well to the fabric. So basically you're going to go down the entire side of the curtain just like this. Okay, make sure it doesn't hang over the edge, but get close to the edge, but not over the edge. When you get to the end, just cut it right at the edge. Okay. So once you've put the double-sided tape on the underside, what you're going to do is carefully peel back the paper layer so you expose the other sticky side. And this can be kind of tricky. Take just a second. Start peeling that back and then take your other curtain and lay it over it perfectly, and then apply pressure. Okay, continue on down doing this just like this and go back over it. Just make sure to apply really good pressure. You know, just keep moving down the curtain. And you see it actually makes a really nice looking seam. Unless you really took a good look at it, you would think that that was sewed. And by the way, this fabric tape is washable. So if at any time you need to pull this curtain down and wash it, it can be washed with the fabric tape. I have washed fabric tape before. I was a little leery, but it actually held up pretty well. I was very impressed. Okay, so now once that's done, it's ready to hang.